Hello friends, Vishwas Joshi here, Indian Philately of the year 2006, a selection from our collection. Pongal. It's a Thanksgiving ritual for bountiful harvest. President's Fleet Review. An yearly extravaganza of Indian Navy with all the grandeur. Dr. U. V. Swaminathan Iyer, the Tamil scholar and researcher who is instrumental in bringing many long forgotten works of classical Tamil literature to light. We mention two noteworthy contributions of his out of many. He worked on Jivana Chintamani, a Jain classic. Another work that came out of his imprint was Manimekalai, a Buddhist classic. What is astounding is that literary works on two ancient faiths of India, Jainism and Buddhism, exist also in the ancient language Tamil. Gemini Ganeshan, the stalwart of Tamil cinema, fondly called as King of Romance. 62 Cavalry, the first armored regiment to be raised on tanks in independent India. It played a pivotal role in Indo-Pak War of 1965. The regiment's motto is Dhairya and Shaurya, fortitude and valor. Kurinji. This flower is exclusive to India. Flowering of this shrub has periodicity of 8 to 12 years. Systematic record of all its blooming is kept since 1838. Listener will feel familiar if one knows its vernacular name, Karvi. To educate and encourage on rainwater harvesting. 100 years of Pratap College, Srinagar. Pankaj Kumar Malik, the singer and music director. In commemoration of University of Madras. L. V. Prasad, an actor, director and producer of blockbuster films in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. Joint issues of stamps between two countries carry an aura in the world of philately. Present one is between India and Mongolia. Endangered Birds of India. Clockwise from top left, Hadgila, Nilgiri Sirippan, Leek, Manipur Lava. Himalayan Lakes, a sea-tenant set of 5 stamps. Lala Deen Dayal, the pioneer of photography in India. This title be justified if we know his lifespan. He lived from 1844 to 1905. He took more than 6,000 photographs on varied themes. His photographs provide a rare pictorial glimpse into a bygone era. Major part of his work is preserved at IGNCA, New Delhi. The glorious history of 125 years of Tribune is a shining example of the true ideals of journalism. This is the first perfume stamp issued by India. Believe me, the perfume of sandalwood is still lingering with the stamp. To experience this, you are invited at my modest stamp gallery. I am waiting for you. Like, share and subscribe.